What's up, everyone? This is probably going to be the last hole of the season for here, as I'm moving, and before I move, it's going to get so hot that it ain't even worth it to me. The mosquitoes are out big time, and I'm getting ate up alive every time I come here now anyway, so the goal today is just to cave some stuff in, find one or two unusual bottles that are either going in my collection or will at least sell to someone to go in theirs, and to get the hole filled in. So I'm going to try to do all that in a few hours if possible. First ball shown of the day, if it's whole, and it's broken. I don't know why, but soon after I came down here, I became like really short of breath and head started hurting real bad. I mean, my head still is hurting, I don't know why, but oh well. Anyway, I got something showing here for you. Let's see what this says here. A broken. Hey, I might finally have a accommodating brewery. I'll just be happy if it's whole at this point. That's how much broke stuff there is in here. Alright, there it is. Probably around 1914 or so. I got another one in here. Oh, it's broken. Okay. A couple more in here. Oh, a jar. Okay. What kind of jar we got here? Triple ball, maybe? No? Chipped up one. A chipped up one that says nothing. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Alright, we got a soda though, so not all hope is gone. Now wait a minute. Never mind, it's a catsup. Yep. Slicks. Something here. Probably Gus cigarettes or LP Clee. More like a broken piece of junk. Got something here. Beer, I think. Alt. Okay, so if this is what I think it is, I might finally have a reward for my efforts. But only if this is whole and not damaged or broken. Well, I mean, if it's damaged, maybe a little bit, but if it's whole, then that's where the real reward is. This is Dayton there. Coca-Cola. All right. So as of now, this looks to be in good shape. It's the bottom. There's the top. Yeah, it's all there. It's all right. That made it worth it. Got another bottle already. That's good. Oh, but it's octagonal. So I got me a catsup, I think. Well, maybe it'll be an embossed one. Some of them Heinz catsups are embossed on the shoulder. This one's not one of them, though. Man, this is a good area to kind of tunnel. Well, there's something there. What is that? I think that's another Coke. Or think. Just the way it's shaped. If it's not a Coke, it's a Pony beer. So, let's see. It is neither. Huh. Just some slick amber blown bottle. I mean, it could be a Pony beer, but if so, it's a labeled one. What's up, everyone? Doing a little creek walk today, and I got my chest waders on because the water is still freezing. Anyway, I have a cream top down here. I can't see it through the murkiness now because the water flow is kind of funny here, but let's see. Some of these are slick and some of them are embossed. And I dropped it. Where'd it go? Hope I didn't break it. Oh, I actually feel embossing. Huh. A patent date. But on the other side's an actual name. Cream top. Patented March 3rd, 25. 1 quart liquid. Kleins. So, it seems like I've found the Kleins before out here, but it was a milk and not a cream top. Well, of course, the cream tops contain milk, I think, but anyway, I was told the Kleins was Charleston, West Virginia, if I remember right. And West Virginia bottles are hot right now. At least the ones that aren't super common mass-produced are anyway, so I think I might have found a good one here. So that made it worth it already. Just gotta get cleaned up and emptied out. So, let's see here. Oh, over there could be more bottles. I need to check that area, but I'm gonna go over here where this current is. That way I can show you the bottle cleaned up. Alright, well, that's as good as it's going to get without soaking it in wood bleach or really hard scrubbing. So, Kleins cream top, first keeper of the day. I do see something else here. Is that anything? It's got moss on it. Looks like a jar. I'm gonna move out of the way it's broken. Here's the fines all cleaned up. A couple of them I actually forgot to show a different day. Scarcer Roll Remedy extract variant. A nice Humphreys homeopathic veterinary bottle. I found a lot of these omega oils, but when it comes to the blown examples, I haven't found that many in the small size. They're always the larger size. Got Bromo Seltzer, Baltimore. These are Gussie cigarettes bottles. Here's another one. This is the Decker. Here's another Decker. Show you embossing here. The hutches are a lot more common than the crown tops are. I've seen a lot of hutches come out of the dump, but not too many crown tops. But the hutches are still worth more, I think, just because they're hutches, and there ain't too many collectors of the crown tops from Dayton as of now, other than the next two, which are straight-sided Coke bottles. So one's damaged, and this one here is in good shape. Heel script variety. The most common of the 3 or 4 Dayton. I think there is 4, because there is one with a minor difference. And lastly, a nice Olt. It cleaned up really nicely too. Oh, gotta be careful there. I got stuff down there that's better, and I don't want to break anything. Anyway, so I also got the creek finds cleaned up. First is this ball jar, and the lid was put on by one of my buddies. I didn't film it, I just brought it home because why not? It's probably 100 years old by now, if not really close to it. And then this nice cream top. It just says Klein's on it. Charleston, West Virginia. This one's a different variety. West Virginia bottles are pretty good for the most part, so I'm hoping this is a good one, but it seems like it's mostly the smaller West Virginia towns, but it still may be a good one, I don't know. But anyway, my one buddy got the jar in this clean for me, and he did an excellent job. I don't know how he does it. I can clean the dump finds up halfway decent, but the creek walking finds, normally I have to soak them in oxalic acid for them to clean up as good as these are. So anyway, that is it. Thanks for watching.